or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles Sequim Car Washman, Motorhome Washman. Over here at European Autowerks Sequim, Washington. Beautiful truck, just got a mini detail package on it. One of the nicest trucks. The inside. I put Protectant on these wheels so that they don't depreciate. Put Protectant on your wheels and they won't rust. Dirt doesn't stick to it that easily either. Always do the wheel wells. It's got a carpet on these wheel wells. Pretty nice. Washed out the bed of the truck. It's a very nice truck. All kinds of little details on it. He's a Sequim firefighter. And he's the owner of European Autowerks here in Sequim. If your motorhome's being stored at All Safe Mini Storage, they recommend me. So, at that time of the year to get your motorhome weatherized or washed. So, beat the rush and call soon for motorhomes for sure. This is the shop. got a foreign car or a European car, bring it here, and I'm sure they'll take good care of you. And have a great day.